phonics lesson today is 48. I believe you guys did 47 yesterday with Miss Jessie.
No, with Miss Hess.
Mrs. Hessler. I couldn't remember who was in here.
Jessie, we made it all the way to the wharf on Monday, but we didn't have time, and then
Okay.
we.
So those of you at home, make sure you put lesson 48 on your level part of your paper. Today's date. Everybody in class, are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, so we're going to read through sounds first. Where should our attention be?
On the board.
Up on the board. Do we need to be messing with things in our desks? No. Sitting up straight and tall? All right, let's read through these. Ooh, Wa, ear, E. Where's this found?
In the middle of the word.
Okay. E. Qu. Maybe. U. Whoa. O. A. At the end of a short word. I. R. Two sounds. Ow. O. Two sounds. And Oi. At the end of a short word. J. And this is obviously at the end of a word. When we add this DGE, J, to the end of a word, what's right in front of it?
Short vowel.
What is it?
Short vowel.
A short vowel. And our short vowels say a, I, or, all, oi, in the middle of a word. Sometimes it is at the beginning, you're right. Oops. A, E, I, O, U, I. At the end of a word, what is right in front of the CK at the end of a word? The short vowels again. A, I, At the end of a word. Again, what's in front of this? The short vowels. And what are those short vowel sounds? A, I, O. All right, let's do some jotting down. First sound. Ear. I'll pull this down. Ear. Second sound. Sm. Watch my mouth if you need to. Sm. Sm. The third sound today is sp. listen to this next sound and then listen to what I say after the sound. J. At the end of a word after a short vowel. J. This next one. 4 ways. How many?
4.
4 ways. For the long O sound. Long O. 4 ways.
I need one more.
Last one. Ch. After a short vowel. Ch. After a short vowel. All right, let's go through those. The first one that you wrote was ear. The next sound was sm. Sm. Then sp. J. At the end of a word after a short vowel. That was the DGE.
I was gonna put a G as long G, but then once you said
The short vowel. Okay. Long O 4 ways. So we could just do what letter?
O.
O. O W.
O/E.
O and then that vowel, the vowel consonant silent E, yes. There's one more that we have talked about. O-A. Those are the ones we've talked about so far. Then the last one was ch after a short vowel. That is the T-C-H. All right, if you've corrected any that you need to correct, looked those over, go ahead and clear that off of your desk, those of you here at school. Then you can set your markers down. Oh, I hit the wrong thing. Duh. Forgotten how to use everything. Okay. Let's read through some words together. Did you need me?
I just have this.
Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay.
Near.
Sphere, fear, year, dear, sheer. What do all those words have in common? Amy?
They both, all of them have ended year.
Yes.
Ear.
They all end in the ear, the E-A-R. What about these?
Same.
Same thing, right? Let's look at this first word. Tear, like a tear from your eye. Tear, gear, clear, smear, here, ear. Do those words have anything in common? They do. Do you think you can figure out what they all have in common with each other? Raylin? They all have E at the end. But what's something we've been talking about I think this one's been since pretty much the beginning of the school year. Connor? No. Amy?
Vowel, constant E.
Vowel, consonant, silent E.
I thought she said the vowel.
If she did, I did not hear her. All right, let's read through these. Vampire, stampede. The word is stampede. What's the word?
Stampede.
Intrude, volume, expose, engage. Okay, this word is like when there's a big old herd of buffalo and they're running across the land. What would that be called? They'll trample over anything in their path.
Stampede.
A stampede. This word means to make something show up. Maybe, I'm trying to think. If you open something up to let everybody see. Jenny?
Expose.
Expose, exactly. This word means to, like, it's a way to kind of like interact with other people. Do you think you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Engage. This word means that you just kind of barge in on people or on someone and you don't even ask for permission to go in.
Intrude.
Intrude. Are we ready? Erase. This word is imbibe. I don't even know what that word means, you guys.
We should search it up.
Do you know what it means, Mrs. Graham? No. It's definitely not a word I have in my vocabulary. Okay, so the word was what?
Imbibe.
Imbibe. The next word is
Sublime.
sublime, mistake, empire,
Remote.
remote.
We should search
Oh.
Imbibe. Okay, so it means to like absorb knowledge. So basically it means to learn new things. Okay? Makes sense. We just did, right?
Yeah, we just don't look.
Okay. The next word here is perfume. Erode. What is the word?
Erode.
Brocade. Dispose. Comprise. Delete. nonsense words. I will say them, you repeat them after me. That's the easiest way to do these. We're just practicing the sounds put together in nonsense words. Okay? Gridnan,
Gridnan,
Shimphib,
Shemphib,
Zarstoy,
Zarstoy,
Gartame,
Gartane,
Spootib,
Spootib,
Widless.
Widless,
More nonsense words. I'll say it, you repeat it. Ventrod,
Ventrod,
Clemtram,
Hemtram,
Slurpin,
Slurpin,
Zeptig,
Zeptig,
Spooger,
Spooger,
Poskrin,
Postrin,
Postrin? We've been practicing the ch sound, right? Postrin. Sound like we're speaking in a whole new language. More nonsense words. Our new 3rd grade language. Zedfel,
Zedfel,
Parveg,
Parveg,
Slemping, Slemping,
Slemping,
Glipsom,
Lipsom,
Fublem,
Bublem,
Swedblan.
Vedblam,
Oh my word. Nonsense words?
no,
Back to normal words? Okay. Read that to yourself. Both of them, sorry. Okay, let's read this first one. Do you hear what I hear? Let's look at the next one. I like spearmint gum. Read those to yourself. This word is grudge. Okay, let's look at the first sentence. It is clear that you have a grudge. Do you know what it means to have a grudge?
no,
Like you're mad at somebody and you just won't get over it. Have you ever had a grudge towards someone? Maybe like a brother or a sister, especially. Okay, so let's read that again. It is clear that you have a grudge. Look at this next one. It's asking a question. Do you fear snakes or spiders? All right. Let's do some word writing. Dice.
my thing ain't working. See, that's how,
Too bad. We'll
that's
figure it
how,
out.
that's
Thank you for doing that.
You're welcome.
how.
Do you want to grab a new marker? Okay. Next word. Dispose. What's the word? Coach.
Can I grab one out of my spare because I don't have one?
Watch my mouth. Year. Like the year is 2020. Smudge. What's the word? Make sure I'm hearing you say it. Because when you hear it out loud, saying it yourself, A lot of times you're more likely to spell it correctly.
What was the second one?
Smudge.
Smudge?
Wow.
Your next word is rage. Empire. What's the word? Should I hear everybody say it? Toast. Toast. Spear.
Speed.
Next word. Batch. All right, then we're going to write one sentence. The spear fell near the hedge. Friends, what do we do?
The speed.
I'll say it one more time, and then what do you do?
Repeat it.
Okay, please start. Let's get back on track with our phonics. The spear fell near the hedge.
The spear fell near the head.
Okay. Okay, let's take a look at those words in that sentence. So our first word was dice. Follows that vowel, consonant, silent E. Should you make sure that your D is truly a D? And it's that soft C saying S. Okay, so dice. Next was dispose. Break those words apart to help yourself spell them correctly if you need to. Coach. What's saying the O in coach? O-A. What about ch? Is it C-H or T-C-H? It is C-H because this is not a short vowel there. Okay, the word next is year. So y, and then our ear sound. After year was smudge. Sm. What about the j in smudge? D-G-E. Because the U is a short vowel. After that we had rage. follows that vowel, consonant, silent E. The next word, I didn't say empire, I said empire. M. So it's E, M, M, and then the pyre is the P, and then that vowel, consonant, silent E for the ire. Empire. Toast. What's saying O in the middle of toast?
OA.
The OA again. Our next word was spear. What says sp?
SP.
What about the ear?
EA. O.
And then our last word that we did was batch. I have to make sure that my B is really a B. And then it says a. What do we notice about that A?
It's a short.
It's a short vowel. So what about the ch after that short vowel?
TCH.
TCH. Okay, our one sentence that we wrote, I'm going to clear that, was the spear fell near the hedge. So we've already talked about the word spear just a moment ago. The spear fell. Is this correct for fell?
No.
It's a short vowel, so what do I have to do to my L?
Double it.
I have to double it. The spear fell near, what's saying the ear in near? Everybody?
Ear.
E-A-R, near, sight word, the. Our last word is hedge. What about the j in hedge?
Eight.
Is this a short or a long vowel?
Short.
It's short, so what does the rest of this need to have?
D-G-E.
D-G-E. Am I done?
No.
No.
Why?
Be-
Because you gotta do.
What do I have to have?
because you have to put a period.
Okay.
What is a hedge?
A hedge, it's those type of shrubs that you see that people cut so that they're flat on the front and flat on the top. Alrighty, now what I want you to do is go to your phonics packet and look at the lesson 48 page. You're probably skipping some, and that's okay, because I'm not sure what all you did while I was gone.
Oh yeah.
What
My
is
mom told me to do half of it like this.
All right, let's take a look at lesson 48. If you would have watched the videos, you would have known what you needed to do. So in parentheses, it gives us different sounds. We have to choose one vowel sound to complete all of those words. Okay, so what does this first sound here say?
What?
The AW says ah. What does AY say? A. And the OW?
Ow.
O or ow. Okay. Let's come across here. have to use only one of these to make all of those real words. So is it going to be the ah, the a, or the ow, o sound? Is AW going to work in all of these? If I put AW behind all of these, what's this word going to say? Claw, claw, saw, graw. Are those real words? Not all of them. Some of them are. So it's not going to be that one. What about if I put the AY? What does AY say? A. Let's try it. Clay, play, say, gray. Are those all real words?
Yeah.
That would work.
Do we
Let's look, hold on. Let's look at the OW though, because we need to make sure. OW can either say ow or o, right? So clow or clo, is that a word? No, so automatically we know which one is the right sound. A, Y. Go ahead and fill those in on the blanks. Okay, then what I'm going to have you do is Amy and Connor, I'll have you work together. Lucas and Raylan and Amy, I'll have you three work together.
You meant to say Jenny.
Oh, I did. Did I say you twice?
Yeah.
You can't split yourself in half and go in both groups? You don't think you can do that?
Then I'll probably say the answers for both groups.
Yeah, true. Okay, so you and your partner or your group, you're going to figure out which sound is going to complete each of those words correctly. Now remember, are you using all of them? No, you are only choosing one of those. Okay, go ahead and you just have to write the sound part. Don't worry about the word part.
Okay.